Hi everybody, this is Jill for today. Thank you for coming into my kitchen. I'm so glad you're here because we're going to do some Christmas baking today. It is the holiday season and we're going to put together some recipes for it. Now today I am making, well, in the winter you call them snowball cookies, but what they are, are those delicious buttery little Russian tea cakes, or Mexican wedding cakes is another name for them. So that's what we're going to make. They are so easy to make with so few recipe ingredients. You're going to love it. So let's get started. So what I have in here is some softened butter. I'm using the BioLife butter today, but you certainly are welcome to use any kind of butter you like. And it's softened. I've left it out on the counter for a while, so it's fairly soft. There is some powdered sugar going in. Oh, this recipe is so darn easy. All right, so then we're going to put in some vanilla. These wonderful people from Penzies, they sure know how to make their stuff. We're going to put a little vanilla in there. The Penzies stuff is so good. All right, and a little bit more, about 1.5 teaspoons. Okay. So what we're going to do here is we are going to take some time to really cream this together well, which will take it will take a few minutes. So once I've got it nice and creamy, I'll bring you back. Okay, so this is nicely beaten together. And now I'm going to add some flour. And some finely chopped pecans. Now you could use walnuts if you like. I wouldn't use almonds and that kind of thing. I think walnuts or pecans are much more, they're typical for this kind of a cookie. So I'm just going to now again just start working this in, and once I have it completely worked in, I'll bring you back. Okay, so here it is. I would highly recommend you do not try to do this by hand, because this portion does take a little more time to get that butter all incorporated into that the flour. So I'm going to move this aside and put it right there. So I got it off the mixer, and here's what it looks like. It's nice and doughy, good stiff dough. And I have my cookie or my baking sheet here with my parchment paper, and really it's really a size to what you want to make for a size. Now I have one here that's about 1 inch in diameter, and this one is 2 inches. I think actually this is a tablespoon and this is 2 tablespoons. This makes a pretty good sized cookie. So I think for gift giving, I'm going to make it with the smaller one. So I'm going to take a scoop here, and really it's almost like when you do snickerdoodles. You make your little ball, and we're going to do powdered sugar after these are baked. But this is really all it takes is just going through. I'll do a couple more, and I can tell you what we're going to do with these. We're going to put these in a 400-degree oven that I've already got preheated, and I think they're going to take, check them at 10. You don't want them to be super brown. You want them they're to be set, but they're to be set with a little more golden color instead of brown color. They're not going to spread. They're going to stay in little balls. So I think I'll do one more, and then we will pop these into the oven. They're going to go in the oven. I'm going to give them 10 to 12 minutes, and then I'm going to take them out when they are done, and I'm going to let them cool for about 10 minutes on that cookie sheet, because you do want them to kind of, firm up, and then I'll put them on the cooling rack. But once I get them out, I'll show you what they look like so you understand. Hopefully you'll be able to see the color that I was suggesting. All right, we'll see you soon. We're back, and boy, did these bake up beautifully. I got 38 cookies, and they're all in this 1 inch ball size. Now I want to show you, before I started to do a few of them here. See, they're very pale, very, very pale, just a tinge of brown. But now look at the bottom, very golden brown. And when I took them out of the oven, I gently kind of pushed on them. They weren't, they didn't just squish in. They gave just a teeny tiny bit. So that's what it looks like. Now, what I've started to do is roll them in sherry. Oh, isn't that a cute Christmas plate? I bought that several years ago, and I just love it. So I'm going to set this out of the side here. And really, it's just a matter of taking your cookie and putting it in some powdered sugar, like so. I'll do one more for you. Now, the director has already had one. Now, you're welcome to tell them all. How did you feel about this cookie?
Rich, buttery, light, tiny bit of crunch to it. Really terrific cookie. Very buttery.
And he said, I've never liked Mexican tea cakes.
No, I haven't.
Or snowballs, as we're calling them now. So this really is all you do. I am making these for Christmas gifts, so they're going to go in little tins. And he's got his head back there, and he's saying, no, they aren't. He's saying, they're for me. You'll get some. Okay, you'll get some. All right. I'm making these for Christmas gifts, and I'm not ready to send out these gifts until probably next week. What I'm going to do, and I think it would be a perfectly good idea, I believe it's been a long time since I've made these cookies, but I think what I did before is I actually baked them, right, and put them in the freezer and let them freeze, keep them fresh. And I brought them out and let them totally defrost, and then rolled them in the powdered sugar the day I wanted to deliver them, so they still had that nice little thing happening. These are such good cookies. I forgot how good these cookies are. They're actually, kind of dangerous to have around. So the director is saying, no, that's not the case. You should see his face back there. He wants these darn cookies. Anyway, great cookies. I really think you should give them a try. You got butter, powdered sugar, nuts, and vanilla. That's it. What could go wrong? Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up, hit that like button, because that sends me out into the algorithms and more people get to see my videos. Take care. Thanks a lot. We will see you again soon. Bye-bye.